Hello and welcome to this short Photoshop tutorial on how to crop a photo inside of Photoshop. Now, as you can see here, we have the picture of Cristiano Ronaldo kicking a soccer ball. Now, this is very easy in order to crop any image inside of Photoshop, even if you were a beginner. And all you have to do is go to the top left hand corner where all the tools are, go down to the fifth tool, and this is the crop tool. As you can see, it says crop tool right here. It looks like a square. You can also press C on your keyboard for a shortcut. Select this, and in this case, we want to crop out Ronaldo from the rest of this photo. We don't want the soccer ball, and we don't want this excess area right here. So all you have to do is select your crop tool and hold it down, and then go against the entire image and select it just like this. Now, once you've selected this grid will show up, and this is meaning that everything inside of this grid is what you will keep, and everything that is shaded or darkened is what will be cropped out of the photo. And in order to crop and finalize this photo, all you have to do is press enter on your keyboard, and there we have it. We have cropped this photo of Cristiano Ronaldo.